Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use floating windows on the Honor Magic V6. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to open an app. Now, as you guys can see, we got it, and some of the apps may not support it, as you guys can see. Here, we can easily just go over, we can do the drop zone, and this one also supports it. As you guys can see, there are some apps that just won't show you any other things. For example, messages was already open, so let's just do this for an example. This one does not support the split screen, so let's open it up. Let's put them both in the drop zone. You can try and get the third app, as you guys can see, but this will look like this. So this will basically be two apps and one will be here. So you can switch between apps just like this. Of course, if you have another app that you want to open, or if you want to hide an app, you can do that. Here you have two apps open. Now we can try and get the Facebook to the drop zone. And as you guys can see, now we can shuffle between four apps and we can do it infinitely. But make sure that your app supports the drop zone. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.